Are you in a bad mood? Are you dying of boredom? If you have some paper, then you have something to do. Give me some colored paper. Cut out a couple of circles of different sizes. Put them on top of each other. Make cuts with a utility knife. Fix the circles like this. Turn them over. Glue a small piece near the cut at the back to keep the structure from falling apart. Attach Mickey Mouse to the yellow circle and Minnie to the red one. Fasten a handle with a heart. Glue it to the postcard. Don't forget to add a couple of nice words. This is for you. Pull the handle. What a transformation! This couple will never break up. Next, take a notebook and colored pens. Let's draw an entire room on one sheet of paper. Draw the outlines of the drawing with a technical pen. A bedside table. A bed with soft pillows. A kitty on the bed. That shows that this room is nice and cozy. Draw a closet and 1,000 random items. This is a dream bedroom. Color the drawing with markers. And now, make some cuts on it. And glue it to a base made out of colored cardboard. Bend it at right angles to make a 3D effect. Hang a pair of outfits in the wardrobe. What a great project! You can also use it to play with paper dolls. For this idea, you need paper boxes, acrylic paint, and a brush. Paint the box pink. Make a wavy edge on a sheet of foam paper. Glue it to the box. Cut out a couple more pieces and glue them to the sides. Cut a wide stick into 2 parts. Paint one of the halves and glue it to the drawer. Decorate the box with colored pom-poms. Pour multicolored candies inside. Look, it's a funny popsicle with a little surprise inside. A box of your favorite candy. All your friends will love it. Delicious! And now take pieces of colored cardboard. Make a few bends on the large piece using a ruler. Make a ring out of it. Do the same with narrow strips. Paste the partitions into the big piece. Draw the front part of a car on a white sheet. Color it with markers. Glue it to the cardboard. Fasten the picture of the Scooby-Doo team in the windshield. Attach Shaggy and Scooby to the partitions. Squeeze the cylinder. Who is in here? It's Scooby-Dooby-Doo! For this idea, get 2 colors of sticky notes. Fold the sheet diagonally 2 times. Unfold it and fold it in half. Straighten it and fold it in half again in the other direction. Press hard on the folds. Fold a triangle. Bend the corners from all sides. Attach another piece of a different color to it. Unbend the end to connect the parts and then attach another triangle. Assemble a ring. You made an interesting transformer toy. Open it. Put it back together and open it. Keep going for as long as you want. The process is so hypnotizing. I can't stop. It's an excellent stress reliever. It's a good thing we don't throw empty Pringles containers away. It's time to use one. Cut a zigzag into the wall. Cover the jar with bright green paper. Fasten yellow bangs to the top. Glue on googly eyes and draw small details. Glue a tail on the back. Nom 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 nom! The monster is hungry! Feed me with pens and pencils! Ready or not, here I come! Mwahahaha! Next, you will need thick white paper and a wooden skewer. Draw doll pieces. Color them and cut them out. Poke holes where the limbs will be attached with an awl. Take pliers and pins. Trim a pin and bend the tip. Insert hooks in the holes and connect the details. Glue the ball-jointed doll to a skewer. Decorate the hair with a pom-pom and attach a tulle tutu. Hey, ballerina! Teach us some ballet moves! Sure thing! It's simple! Even a cat can do this dance! Will you dance with us? For the next life hack, take a piece of white paper and some Post-it notes. Draw hearts on the sticky notes and cut them out. Write days of the week on them. Draw lines on the paper strip and bend it using a ruler. Glue a heart to each bend. Glue the strip of paper and place the free end of the strip under it. Pull the paper and go through the days of the week. Then take a sheet of colored cardboard. Draw lines and unfold it. Glue the piece together like this. Now fold a couple of envelopes and cut the paper squares. Write the names of the months and set the dates. Glue a tablet with the days of the week to the pyramid. Decorate with pictures. Attach the envelopes. Place the sticky notes in the pockets. A desktop calendar is ready! Move the dates, change the days of the week, and use your free time wisely. A cardboard template of a coffin and a black fine liner are what you need for the next craft idea. Mark up the cardboard and make cuts with a utility knife. Glue pieces of sticks to the stencil. Glue cardboard sides to it. Make a lid. Transfer the markings to it. Fasten one side. Glue on a few cardboard squares. Take acrylic paint and a brush. Paint the coffin. Put a picture of a body inside. Cover it with the lid. And now it's time for tricks! Pierce the coffin with wooden sticks. Open the lid and the body is undamaged. Magic? No, just a little trickery. And for this idea, cut out a piece of cardboard and take a straw. Glue a piece of double-sided tape to the cardboard. Fasten the straw. Cut out a picture of fire from colored paper. Glue them together and attach them to the cardboard piece. Attach fins. Fasten the second part of the head to the top. Eyes, horns. Draw nostrils. Glue another piece of fire to the backside. Twist it with a pencil. Please blow into the straw. What a funny toy! And now take a sheet of white paper and some paper with a bright print. Draw a layout of a box. Cut it out along the outlines. Assemble the box, bending the paper on the marked lines. Cut a few strips of white paper. Glue them together. Fold them. Left strip, right strip, left strip, right strip. Make a shape like this. Print or draw a picture of SpongeBob. Cut him out. Glue him to a spring. Glue it into the box. Make 2 cuts with a utility knife. Attach the lid with a stick. Attach Mr. Krabs to it. Glue a question mark to the box. And now, pull the crab! Woohoo! Like a jack-in-the-box, SpongeBob jumps out. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? For this idea, you are going to need colored paper and a box. Remove the lid and repaint it to match the paper. Cut out a magic castle with windows from sheets of paper. Glue it to the lid. Make a fastener out of colored wire to hold the moon above the mysterious city. Put candles inside the box. Ooh! I think there's a light on over there. Anybody? Hello? If you light up the paper castle with a lantern, a shadow theater will appear on your wall. Did you like our paper ideas? Which of them will you try out? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to see more unusual life hacks from Troom Select.